So at this stage, we apply disinfectant. We apply disinfectant to disinfect all the pigeon pools and ensure that they are free from all contaminations. That is how we do it in cleannit, just to ensure that we put hand to the effect. Then after this, we will continue the process to clean, because we have to clean safely, protect our workers, and at the same time protect the residents. So we clean and we use non-aggressive disinfectants just to get the job done. So we apply disinfectant and ensure that we give it some time to work, and after then we proceed to the main cleaning of the windows, the doors, and the floor. So that is what we do, and we'll clean down the floor before all the windows and every other thing before we start cleaning every other area of the floor. So the floor is the last place that we'll work on. Thank you. Get back to you. So this is the effect after the cleaning. We put everything in place and we actually remove all the details. Now, for when you have the pigeon poop around your window for a long time, you begin to have this old effect. Now, this old effect cannot be scratched up immediately like that, or else you will tamper with the aluminum frame. But the effect is that all the heavy stuff, all the pigeon poop removed. Now you can as well easily compare this with this. Now that is the initial stage, but now we have come to cleaning of this, and this is the difference. So we easily have these. Once the pool stay there for too long, it becomes something very difficult to move on, like stay there. That is why it's advisable that once you have this pigeon pool, you fix a net and you take them out once and for